I will show you how to animate your logo using Canva. So first here in what will you design, start typing animated logo and click here. Canva will offer you a bunch of animated logos here, templates, but we will use this one, create a blank animated logo. So first of all, before uploading your creating the animation for your logo, you should upload the separate parts of your logo. I will show you what do I mean by that. So we're going here on page 1 and we will upload the first sequence of our animation. So I already uploaded the files here in my logos here. So this is how my complete logo looks like, but I have here the different parts of my logo. So this is the first one that I will use for my animation. Okay, that's the page 1. Now go here to these 3 dots and click duplicate page and then upload the next picture of the logo. So it's this one. Why I duplicated the previous page? Because I want to place this on the same position. So I will send it backward and then delete the previous one. Okay, now go to the duplicate page again, and the third picture will be this one. We placed it here, send backwards, and then delete the the previous one. Okay, go to duplicate page again. The next picture is this one with the text. So let's place it on. For some reason the logo is not the same size, so we will just crop the upper part of the picture and leave the text only. Okay, and then go to duplicate page again and upload the last one. It will be this one with tagline. We will again just crop the upper part of the picture and leave this text only. Okay, so now we have our 5 pages here. Each one lasts for 5 seconds and it's too much, so let's click here and set the timing to 1 second and go to apply to all pages here. So now we can check how our animation looks like. That's it. And now go to share, download. Sorry, before that I want to show you something else. So click here on these 3 dots again and add transition. What is transition? It is how one page turns to the second. So you have none, dissolve, slide, circle, wrap, line, wipe, match and move, stack and chop. You can see here how each one looks like. We will use the circle wipe for this animation and we will add it between each 2 pages. Add transition, circle wipe, and here add transition, circle wipe. In the last page we can't add transition because of course it is the last one. So here we have now different timing for each of the pages. Let's see how it looks like. And you can change the timing here. Okay, let's change it to 1 second and apply to all. Yes, I think it's better now. So you have your animation now and you can download it and share. Okay, go to download. It is downloading on your computer. Once it is downloaded, we will play it just to check if everything is okay. This animation should last for 5 seconds. It's not too much. So let's see, open, click play, and that's it. You have your logo animated here. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.